Alright, it's your boy Peso Doty, man. This is the Who Making Noise, the St. Louis edition, man. We got that boy Lil Tay from St. Louis, man, downtown, O'Fallon Projects, man. 3 Pablo gang. Lil Tay been killing it, man, for the longest, man. If you don't know, man, I'm putting you up on him right now. You know what I'm saying? This one right here, man, is the head of the group, man, since, 3 Pomerello, another member out the group 3 Problems, man, who was in the feds, man, who just got out recently, you know just, joined the group again. But, this boy Lil Tay was out here holding it down, man, because not only, he had an absence of that boy 3 Problem Rello being locked up, man, but they had lost a cousin, man, who was part of the group too, man, named Swag Honcho, man, who was like a pillar to the group, man, a pillar to their neighborhood, their community, man, and they lost him. Lil Tay was out here by himself, man, but guess what? He held it down. All right. We got that boy Newski 2 Squad already up on the screen, man. He ready, you know what I'm saying? Stay ready, you don't have to get ready. You feel me? This one right here from the north side, man. You know what I'm saying? I believe, if I'm not mistaken, he's from the Greaterville area on the north. You know what I'm saying? If I'm not, apologies. You know what I'm saying? If he's not, apologies. You know what I'm saying? I could be wrong. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? This artist right here, man, got it all, man, from trap to emo. You know what I'm saying? Signed by, I believe, Young and Ace. You know what I'm saying? One of the youngest out the town. You know what I'm saying? Very harmonious. You know what I'm saying? Very melodic with his flow, man. You know what I'm saying? Got features. A lot of industry people want to work with him, man, from what I see. St. Louis, you know what I'm saying? Stand up, because we got one, man. Newski 2 Squad. Keep doing your thing, youngin'. You know what I'm saying? On top of that, expect a lot of great stuff from this youngin', man, because the circle of peers that he has, you know what I'm saying? That's just how we rockin'. Newski 2 Squad from the 3-1 fuck. Do your thing, man. Salute. All right, now we got that boy Jumpman Joey, another artist from the north side of the STL, man. This one right here from the Dub, man. Yeah, man, it's the little brother SGE Breezy, man, a legendary fallen soldier from the city, man, an artist. SGE Breezy was the truth, man. He was on his way, man. A lot of people was on that, He got, his life taken by, gun violence. And it's a tragic, man. We got that boy Jumpman Joey still doing his thing, though, man. Putting together these songs, man, that the city, you know what I'm saying, consider classics, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? He working with 2 of the best producers in Ep.1, and Tez Banger. And the list goes on to other producers, Moving on. We got LA Foes from the west side. That's my side of town, y'all. Yeah. That boy LA Foes, man. Hottest youngin', man. He kind of like started the new wave, man, of the new St. Louis, man. Him with 3 Problems, you know what I'm saying? The group that we talked about earlier, man, with Lil Tay. LA Foes, to me, is what I consider a resilient artist, man, just on the strength, man. He went through management issues after getting out the feds, man, and he bounced back, man, started his own YouTube channel on top of the one that was already made, you know what I'm saying, in his name. And he bouncing back, man. You feel me? Like, gotta respect that, man. On top of working with Waka Flocka, man, and things not working out in him still, you know what I'm saying? Going back to the drawing board, doing his shit. Shout out to Westside LA Foes, man. Do your thing, youngin'. Southside stand up. Yeah, we got that boy Nike Turbo on this list already. Nike Turbo, an artist from the south side St. Louis, Peabody Projects, downtown, you know what I'm saying? Nike Turbo, all over the state streets, they, you know what I'm saying, they holler Nike Turbo, you know what I'm saying, when it come to GOAT status, man. I'm talking about really putting it down, man, for years, man. You know what I'm saying, to the point where he ain't even got to explain himself no more when it comes to his drive and, you know what I'm saying, and what he trying to do and what he trying to put out there, man. You know what I'm saying? He just randomly put his shit out there, man, and it always go, man. You know what I'm saying? We be checking that shit out, man. Been on TV shows and all type of shit, man. So, he got his own dance called the Turbo Step, you feel me? Check him out, man. Go to his page, man. You know what I'm saying? On all platforms, you know what I'm saying? You can check his music out. Nike Turbo, STL, man. Stand up.